Okay, Dr. Sauce, how do I properly spray air freshener in my car?
Properly spraying air freshener is pretty easy, actually. Every car has this underneath, well, I wouldn't say every car. Most of the cars have this underneath the passenger side floorboard. That's typically where your AC filter or your heater filter is going to be. Um, and so what I like to do is take this, or, well, this is one of my favorites, and spray underneath the floorboard, kind of on the passenger side, like where your feet are, and just give that a few sprays. That way, when the air circulation starts, when you put your AC or heat on, it goes up and like sucks it up through those vents, and then will distribute the scent. Or you could just be crazy and just spray it everywhere, but don't spray it directly on something. I like to mist it over the floor mats.